What does the future hold for warehouse automation, and where do robotics fit into this picture? Let's start with Symbotic, born from the unique needs of the wholesale grocery business. Its AI-powered robots, evolved from an early prototype, now autonomously navigate vast structures at impressive speeds. The warehouse automation market, primed for substantial growth, is projected to hit $44 billion by 2028. As we can see, the future of warehouse automation is not only promising but also necessary for the evolution of the global logistics industry. The global pandemic not only affected our lives, but also reshaped the warehouse automation industry. Supply chain constraints posed significant challenges, leading to a record order backlog that carried the industry into 2022. The cautious optimism we saw in 2023 was dampened by macro uncertainties, with retailers hesitant to commit to large capital expenditures due to factors like low consumer spending, high inflation, and geopolitical tension. Despite these challenges, the warehouse automation market continues to grow, propelled by factors like the booming e-commerce industry, the emergence of autonomous mobile robots, and the rising demand for same-day delivery. This growth is not without its own set of challenges, though. While online retail is expanding rapidly, it requires more logistical work per item than traditional brick-and-mortar retail. Each online purchase requires individual picking, packing, and shipping, as opposed to the bulk transportation models of traditional retail. COVID-19 has fundamentally changed our approach to warehouse automation. Prior to the pandemic, automation was seen as a good-to-have feature. Now it's moved firmly into the must-to-have category. Companies are realizing that to stay competitive in this industry, they must invest in automation. COVID-19 has necessitated a rethink of our approach towards warehouse automation, making it a key area for investment and innovation. So, where do we stand today, and what are the key trends shaping the future of warehouse automation? As we've seen, the warehouse automation market is poised to reach a staggering $44 billion by 2028. This growth is propelled by factors such as the rise in e-commerce, the demand for same-day delivery, and the increasing use of autonomous mobile robots. Post-pandemic, we're witnessing several emerging trends. The growth of e-grocery is reshaping the logistics landscape. Micro-fulfillment centers are becoming a crucial component of the supply chain. Automated picking, mixed pallets, automation, mobile manipulators, and automated cold storage are all innovations that are streamlining operations and boosting efficiency. There's also been significant investment in promising startups like Symbotic, as well as a continued strong presence from industry heavyweights like Dematic and Honeywell Intelligrated. As we move forward, these trends and innovations will continue to shape the future of warehouse automation, making it an exciting field to watch.